Alright, I hope this thing shows up good because on my little bitty lens it ain't showing up for crap. I'm gonna let y'all guess which house is Harlan's house. Damn, I might have some kind of seizure coming up here. What's up with this? You got any good candy there, you mister?
We got M&M's.
Butterfingers. I hope the spider's showing up before y'all have a seizure from watching all this stuff. That rat looks wicked, man. Or whatever it used to be that is cross. If you run into a rat that big, it don't matter if it's dead or alive. It's doing some damage. You don't have anybody that pops out?
No, I gotta keep this kind of down low.
You couldn't pay Marissa to hide out here and scare people? So what kind of effort does it take to put all this stuff out?
This took about an hour and a half.
Did you get the window thing working?
Nah, not like I wanted it to.
Is that what was it gonna be, that black window there? Is that where it was gonna be?
No, it's gonna be in this window right here.
So you
with the monster guy, but there's too many window panes.
Right, so it kind of broke it up. It needed to be a plain one.
Yeah, it'd be nice if it was a big open window.
So did you name the skulls yet? Look, the bodies of dead resellers. Y'all can pick your names for who you want each of the dead resellers to be. It's awesome. Man, there are cars everywhere on this street. I had to park way down there. And you said you had how many? 100 and how many last year?
30.
Oh, I didn't even see the spiders up there. All you got, buddy? I am still looking for the lost dead souls of resellers. Does anyone see one yet? That right there looks like a couple I've met. Just kidding. Or am I?